Design. I'm glad you could join me here today. I am participating in the Spellbinders September 2020 Club Kits blog hop, and I'm on the Amazing Paper Grace social media team. So I am using the Amazing Paper Grace September 2020 Club Kit, which is this beautiful Lattice Quadrante die set. And this is 7 separate dies, and as you can see, I've joined mine together here for this project with a little bit of Post-it tape to create this beautiful overlay. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this die, but I thought it would be really fun to create an overlay wrap for this photo wallet. This is made with my Mind's Eye Gingham Garden Collection. It's 7 by 5 with a 3/4 inch spine, and I die cut this gorgeous Lattice Quadrante die from a pearlized paper. It's got a really lovely sheen. I don't know if you can pick that up. And then I used the large outer die to cut the backdrop for my wrap. So I just adhered this lattice die to like the base and then wrapped it around my designer paper to create this beautiful doily effect. I've got delicate stitch satin bows, a really gorgeous Rene Bouquet's butterfly, some little birdie flowers, and then chipboard and images from the collection. In addition to the die, I wanted to show you how this little photo wallet on the inside works. This is a really simple design, and I will be doing a tutorial on this soon on my YouTube channel. But each of the waterfalls in this little folio measures 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. And I've decorated the cover up with chipboard and images from the Gingham Gardens collection. And then this is a little magnetic buckle to hold everything in place. So as you can see, you can just add your photos here, flip through, and then at the back I've put a little pocket and created a little wallet-sized magnetic folio. So there's room here for journaling, small photos, and this fits in this pocket. Then on the bottom, I've done another one of the little wallet folios designed to be used for journaling and small photos. And then there's this lovely little larger folio for a couple of big pictures. But this would be a great way to capture any special event, and using this wonderful Lattice Quadrante die with it makes it really, really special. So I just wanted to show you how that functions. You can join me on my blog at Kathy by Design for the blog hop. I'm giving away a $25 gift certificate to Spellbinders, and Spellbinders is giving away a $50 gift card. You can visit my blog at kathybydesign.com to find out all about that, as well as inspiration from a whole crew of wonderful Spellbinders social media artists. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. I'm wishing you joy and creativity, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.